freshers to BSSS family.
This day would indeed be a milestone for each and every one of you, as today we are going to open a new page of your life, where the themes are going to be challenges, memories, hard work, servitude, and dedication.
For some, it would be a phase of ambivalence, where you would get mixed feelings of happiness, fright, dilemma, and exuberance.
But don't worry, we're all here for you, to cocoon and transform you from haywire to composed ones.
This institute would not only give you the educational platform, but giving you wings to your dreams by transforming you into a mature person.
It will groom your personality and make you organized,
Teach you discipline,
and at the same time teach you attitude to face this world of competition with confidence.
there would be events like plays,
Sports competitions,
debates,
bonfires,
trips,
and many more fun activities which would carve your niche. From here on, we not only take dreams in our heads but friends for life who will forever remind us that happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if only one remembers to turn on the light.
and with this, please welcome the first performance of the day, our radiant dancers of BSSites. Please welcome for the welcome dance. request our Honorable Principal, Dr. Father John PJ, to please come up on the stage and enlighten us with your benign presence.
Dear students, I had a guest today morning and disturbed because many are walking in. I had a guest and she told me, a church comer, she said, Father, we are so happy about BSSS. So I asked, what is it all about? She said, you strike a news every day in the newspaper or in the social media. Meaning to say, we have a number of co-curricular and academic programs happening every day. That strikes the headlines or news in the newspapers every day morning. Thanks to our PRO and all other, her co-workers for making news. Well, that is only one part of it. But what I would like to tell you students is that when the colleges are running short of admissions, we did have more than 3,000 applications and we have recruited about 1,600 students, which means a lot in this pandemic age. Well, that shows the popularity and the common outlook of a common parent and a common man. Now you have gone into this college. Very simple thing. I know you are all from different schools. Yesterday I happened to get into BA Pass Course class and I asked them, how many of you are from a missionary school? Hardly 3 or 4 of them out of 15 of the students. All from central school or other private or public schools. But let me tell you that we have a culture which is entirely and purely different from all these private mushroom schools. Let me tell you this. And you can enjoy the freedom in this campus within the limitations. Just yesterday we had to take a very hard step on the very first day. We had to get a boy out because you're trying to show his muscle power. It doesn't work here. Let me be very clear on this. It doesn't work. What works is your sincerity and your honesty, your respect, your love for the institution and for the faculty. Simply stands at that. So therefore, you are in one way or one sense sensibly unlucky because you don't have mentors, seniors. You see, the third years will no more be probably coming because of the online classes, and the second years may come but for half term after the midterm examination, which means you are a senior and you are a junior. You are an old comer and you are a fresher. So I have asked the teachers to take individual personal care to cater you and to mentor you to the expectations of this college. I'm sure that you will enjoy every event, lucky to be back again in offline mode. And let me remind you also, from the coming Monday, we will have no online classes for the first years. From Monday on, you will have to be offline. You will have to come to the college for attending classes. I think that will also boost your morale to some extent. Also learn to live a college life which is worth in one's own personal life. So that is how I look at the college and you students. I have high expectations from you. And I tell you, if you see and look at some of our senior students, how they are trained and mentored, it is worth, of praise. The way they look at the institution, the professors, the personnel in the college, and the way they take care of the things of the college. For example, yesterday I was just looking at the Invictus team. They were nothing more or less than, any of our other workers here, co-workers. They were carrying themselves the benches, the desks, arranging the table, arranging the auditorium, decorating, and also meanwhile keeping up discipline. And this is what I believe actual and true freedom is all about. And let me tell you one thing very clear. There is no political leadership nurtured here. If you want to be one, go to another college. We have here intellectual leaders because we insist on studies, so we don't have time for other things. So therefore, if any of you, still admissions are open until 30th, if any of you would like to opt for another college, you must do it at the earliest. Your entire fee on demand will be reimbursed without fail. You can look for until 30th, the portal is open. We have certain rules, regulations, and certain norms, guidelines to be followed within the campus. So that's a culture. God bless you all, and I would like to today introduce a new team, that is the Invictus team. They said they need to be somewhere acknowledged and trained, approved. Why? They had conducted a number of programs last year too, but we did not have a public platform to recognize them. Then I asked them, who are the members? I today discussed in the staff meeting whether the students are really and truly accepted in the classroom, in the college, responsible. They all unanimously said all of them are academically sound, and there's a lot of leadership qualities. And when those who have got qualities, they would certainly express it some way or other. So I'm happy to introduce this team. They are an event managing team from within the college for various programs. Being the Jubilee year, I have asked them also, if possible, to conduct a national intercollegiate program, again intellectual symposium-like, to mark the Jubilee. And it might happen if they work enthusiastically. And we have a few of these guys here who are the pioneers. I have got 4 names. They don't belong to any particular stream or department. They are from overall students of all the streams. And they do co-opt to their team their other co-members over the time, over the years. Now these guys are from all 3rd year. There are 2 from BA and 2 from BBA to begin with. But there can be also students later from other streams inducted in. And they are preempting. A good round of applause. Samiksha Agrawal, Vanshika, Nainani, Vanshika, and Sufain Sami. These are the 4 pioneers of this movement. It's a new movement in the college. We have a number of clubs to foster and promote leadership. Conducts the programs department-wise, but this is a team for the common programs probably. And we are happy about you, Priyank, Samiksha, Vanshika and Sufain. We feel proud of you to have taken this step, and much more for the perseverance. They were behind me asking how to get on to this stage today. And perseverance is the key word and secret of any success. You have done it. Well done. And all the best to the team. I also would like to thank very specially the team, Shweta Bhatnagar and her teaching staff team who have really worked for a few days, to make you all feel at home and to make you all to get used to this campus and our culture. Thank you and all the best to you for today and the days to come. God bless. All the best to you. Enjoy the day.
Thank you very much, Father, for those illuminating words. I'm sure each and everything said by you, our freshers, will keep in their minds and hearts forever. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Father. श्री, मेरे जहन में इस वक्त एक शायरी आ रही है, कहो तो कुछ शायराना माहौल बना दूं?
हाँ कफील, इरशाद इरशाद।
गाइस क्या कहते हो, कुछ शायरी वायरी हो जाए? ओके। यारों की बैठक जमी है, लगता है कुछ खास हुआ है, चेहरों पे सबकी एक खुशी है, कुछ तो आज ज़रूर हुआ है। महफिलों में अक्सर होती नहीं ऐसी रौनक, महफिलों में अक्सर होती नहीं ऐसी रौनक, आज महफिल जमी है, यारों का साथ जो मिला है।
वाह 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 कफील, बहुत ही खूबसूरत। और पता है कफील, आज इसी शायरी की तरह ही हमारा ये इवेंट भी बहुत सुंदर होने वाला है।
Exactly, Shireen. We are gonna have a lot of fun because आज के हमारी इवेंट में होने वाली है सिंगिंग,
डांसिंग,
ड्रामा,
बहुत से एक्साइटिंग गेम्स
और हमारा ट्रेडिशनल रैप वॉक।
एंड कफील, you forgot the most important part.
अच्छा, कौन सा?
The most awaited and exciting part, यानी कि Mr. and Miss Freshers.
अरे हाँ शिरीन, उसके बगैर हमारा फ्रेशर्स इवेंट कैसे कंप्लीट हो सकता है? और सिर्फ मिस्टर मिस फ्रेशर्स ही नहीं, हम बेस्ट ड्रेसअप का भी अवार्ड देंगे।
हाँ बिल्कुल। और कफील, अब अवार्ड्स की बात चली ही है तो let's tell them the other awards also.
बिल्कुल। So my dear audience, हमने फ्रेशर्स वीक कराया था, which had many events like treasure hunt, sports, squid games. याद है?
याद नहीं? कोई बात नहीं, अभी हम आपको दिखा देंगे थोड़ी सी देर में। वैसे पता है कफील, all of these events had more than 600 participants in all of them. और लेकिन उनमें से सिर्फ कुछ ही विनर्स हुए हैं।
बिल्कुल सही शिरीन। और हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स इस मुकाम तक पहुँचे हैं बहुत सारी मेहनत के बाद। उनकी हार ना मानने की लगन ही उन्हें इस मुकाम पर लेकर आई है, which is why we are going to reward them in our award ceremony.
Yes. वैसे कफील पता है, इतने समय बाद इतना भरा भरा ऑडिटोरियम देख के ना मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है।
बिल्कुल सही शिरीन। और पता है, वैसे तो ये ऑडिटोरियम काफ़ी पुराना है, लेकिन आज हमारे फ्रेशर्स इस ऑडिटोरियम के लिए आप सभी नए हैं, तो ज़रा शोर से, अपनी आवाज़ से, अपने जोर से इस ऑडिटोरियम को ज़रा अपना इंट्रोडक्शन तो दे दीजिए। कम ऑन फ्रेशर्स, मेक सम नॉइस फॉर योरसेल्फ, कम ऑन।
अमेजिंग, बहुत खूब। वैसे लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वी हैव समथिंग वेरी एक्साइटिंग प्लान फॉर यू, लेकिन वो हम देखेंगे एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद।
बिल्कुल सही शिरीन। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड विद अस गाइस, कहीं जाना नहीं, बस हम आते हैं थोड़े से ब्रेक के बाद।
दिल का पर्दा उड़ चला, आस्था सपना बन चला, गीत सुन ले, जी भर के जी ले, रुक जाना तो live rock, anytime, anywhere, everybody loves to wear, anytime, anywhere.
तुम्हारी तबीयत तो ठीक है?
हाँ हर्ष, क्यों, क्या हुआ?
तो इतना सच की क्यों आई हो?
अरे वो आज ना फ्रेशर्स है, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं भी सुंदर दिखूं। वैसे ना आज सुबह सुबह उठकर मैं पार्लर गई, फिर वहाँ पे मैं तैयार हुई, फिर मैं दूसरे पार्लर गई, वहाँ पे मैंने अपने बाल सेट करवाए। लेकिन
तुम हमेशा ऐसी बकवास करती हो या आज कोई स्पेशल ओकेजन है?
अरे यार, वेल ओकेजन तो यही है कि आज फ्रेशर्स है।
हाँ, और तुम्हें पता है कि फ्रेशर्स हो और हमारे जूनियर यहाँ जलवा न बिखेरे, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता।
Of course, Harsh. College is incomplete without a generous dose of beauty, fashion, and glamour. It's like every day in the college is a red carpet where you can flaunt your talents and your dressing sense. And to flaunt your dressing sense, I would request all the finalists to please come up near the stage. Boys will be lining up here near my left, and the girls will be lining up here on my right.
know what, Mansi? I believe that every individual is gifted, and to showcase their own self through the talent round, our participants showcased how their unique talents define them as a person, and they deservedly qualified for the second round of Mr. and Miss Freshers. So here we are now. Let your body talk for you. Let your expressions respond for you, and let the stage light up with your presence. And I'm damn sure many of the divas and hunks had to hide their charm because of school uniform, those cliche ponies and buskers, like seriously. So I was thinking, why not give them a chance to mesmerize us with the magic?
भाई साहब, आप ये जो बातें करते हैं, इसके पैसे चार्ज करते हैं या मुफ्त का ज्ञान है? क्योंकि चिल्लर नहीं है मेरे पास।
तुम्हारे यहाँ फालतू जोक्स को हंसता भी नहीं है इधर।
हंसा, वेट, देखो वहाँ पर वो पीछे, हाँ, वो एक बच्चा हंसता हुआ मुझे दिखा, एंड यहाँ पर, हाँ, वो बच्चा भी हंसता हुआ दिखा मुझे।
हो गया तेरा, अब बुला ले स्टेज पे जूनियर्स को।
हाँ ठीक है। So guys, कमर कस लीजिए, because here we are presenting you the gorgeous girls and the bold boys of Bhopal's social sciences. So put your hands together for our participants. ओके, सो पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्तों, क्योंकि हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स को मिस्टर एंड मिस फ्रेशर्स बनने के लिए देने होंगे कुछ सवालों के जवाब। एंड व्हेन यू ऑल गाइस हैव रीच्ड सो फार प्रूविंग योर स्किल्स, नाउ इज द टाइम टू चेक दैट आर यू द रियल स्टार व्हेन इट कम्स टू कम्युनिकेटिंग, बीइंग assertive and displaying beauty with brains.
Well, this is the finale. To showcase your own self has to be the real stars of Euphoria. Face the Q&A round and win the reigning crown of Mr. and Miss Euphoria 2021. Well, the next round is going to be very exciting. But before that, let's have a break. pa ga ma sa. Ga da da ba da da ba ga ba da ni da ni da ni sa 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 ni sa sa sa.
Seems like it's becoming hard to wait for the next performances. But before we proceed, I want to thank you all for being such a lovely audience. Alright, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, dance enthusiasts and my lovely audience. I'm Angela Jo and I'm Sneha Rajput. Guys, how different is this day? You will yourself discover as the event unfolds. अब होने वाली है एक ऐसी माइंड ब्लोइंग परफॉर्मेंस जो आप चाह कभी भूल नहीं पाएंगे. Yes, you're right. I'm sure all of you will feel amazed after seeing the next performance, and your hearts will palpitate with positive, powerful emotions. Guys, Sneha means आपके दिल धक धक करने लगेंगे. Exactly. So, Angela, do you know what do we dance for? Yes, of course, I do, Sneha. Do you? As according to me, we dance for laughter. We dance for tears. We dance for madness. We dance for fears. We dance for hopes. We dance for screams. We are the dancers. We create dreams. All
The beat go. Found love. Oh, then just dive right in and follow my lead. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I need you. I see my future in your
नमस्कार रखिए। एक मिनट, कुर्सी घुमाता हूँ। रमेश, सुरेश, अंकल जी के लिए कुर्सी छत से लेके आओ। बस आते ही। अरे सुना नहीं?
चलिए अंदर ही बैठते हैं।
हाँ, चलिए आइए। आप बैठिए।
जी, मैं वो लाइब्रेरी कह रहा था कि आपको उसको किताब देनी है, वो आपने पूरा घर किताब
कैडबरी 5 स्टार में है चॉकलेट कैरमल और लोका, तो खाइए और खो जाइए।
ये फ्रेशर्स वीक था तो बहुत ही मजेदार।
जी हाँ, ना ये हम भूल सकते हैं, ना हमारे फ्रेशर्स
और ना ही ये कॉलेज।
हेलो अमिगोस, दिस इज इम्रोज।
होला फैम, दिस इज रिदम सिंघाई। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग?
जाहिर सी बात है रिदम, अच्छे होंगे, इनफैक्ट खुश होंगे। पूछो क्यों?
क्यों?
क्योंकि इन्हें वो मिला है जो तुम्हें और हमें नहीं मिला।
क्या कैंटीन पर एक समोसे पर एक समोसा फ्री,
नहीं,
या फिर गार्ड भैया के टट्टे?
अरे बिल्कुल भी नहीं, मैं बात कर रही हूँ फ्रेशर्स पार्टी की।
अच्छा, फ्रेशर्स पार्टी, लकी यू।
Yes, exactly.
So how's the freshers going?
Are you people enjoying? We couldn't hear you. A little louder, please. Yeah, now perfect.
That's like your exercise.
आपकी आवाज़ों से हमें ये तो पता चल गया है कि आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
अरे जल्दी करो वरना बात फिर से आ जाएगा। अरे नहीं, इसको हटा वहाँ से। जल्दी जल्दी भाई।
ताबड़ तोड़ तुम्हारे ताबड़ तोड़ तुम्हारे बादल बोड़ तुम्हारे बरसात।
अरे जल्दी जल्दी।
बादल बोड़ तुम्हारे बादल बोड़ तू ताबड़ ताबड़ तोड़ ताबड़ ताबड़ तोड़ तुम्हारी बरसात। बादल
ये लड़का तेरी शादी किस वजह से होने नहीं देगा।
ये पापा,
Waterproofing वाला exterior paint. Asian Paints.
अभी जरा सब्र करो मेरे दोस्त, क्योंकि इस दिन की कहानी अभी बाकी है। नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल और आप सभी को हमारा सलाम। हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज रोज और मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट और दोस्त आमरा। आमरा, मैं तुम्हें सुबह से नोटिस कर रही हूँ, तुम कुछ ज़्यादा ही एक्स्ट्रा खुश दिख रही हो। ना तो आप फ्रेशर हैं और ना ही ये फ्रेशर्स पार्टी आपकी है, तो फिर इतनी खुशी किस बात की? रोज, इस खुशी और एक्साइटमेंट के पीछे दो रीजन हैं। और वो क्या है? पहली तो ये, आई एम सो हैप्पी टू सी सच गॉर्जियस फेसेस गैदर्ड हियर। ओके, नो डाउट। एंड व्हाट अबाउट द सेकंड रीजन? दूसरी ये है कि अब आगे भी बोलो। मैंने सुना है हमारी नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस रिदम माइंड्स की होने वाली है। आपने बिल्कुल सही सुना है। इस दिन को और रिदमिक बनाने के लिए आने वाले स्टेज पे टैलेंटेड आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम द BSSS Rhythm Minds take music to another level. Trust me guys, you're gonna dance with madness after listening to them. The band is amazing and the singers are so melodious and dashing. So the stage is ready, instruments are all set, and our singers are ready to rock on stage. We present before you Go Studio by the BSSS Rhythm. Can we have a huge round of applause for them?
थोड़ी चुपके चुपके चिट्ठियाँ लिखा करती थी। जब मिलती थी मुझसे यही पूछा करती थी, ये प्यार कैसे होता है, ये प्यार कैसे होता है। और मैं यही कहता था कि आंखें खुली हो, दीदार उनका होता है कि कैसे कहूँ मैं प्यार कैसे होता है। सब आंखें खुली हो, दीदार उनका होता है, कैसे कहूँ मैं प्यार कैसे होता है। लड़की बड़ी है जानी है, ऐसी है सच है कौनी है, कोई पगली बिल्कुल ना बदली, ये तो वही दीवानी है। सब क्या हाल है मेरे साथ? जिंदा हूँ मैं, अब तो आदत सी है, अब तो सी है। जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा भी नहीं है, अब तो आदत सी है, अब तो सी है।
It's time to reveal the champion of the champions. Please, a huge round of applause, please.
Although it goes without saying, but let me just say it, that each and every participant has been extraordinarily amazing in their performances and gave our judges a really hard time in judging who would be the winner. But since this was all a competition, there could only be one conqueror, right, Kafil?
Absolutely, Shiri.
And so, what are we waiting for? Let's begin with the award ceremony.
Okay. First up are the sports event. Our winner for Face the Ball is Yash Jadlani.
Guys, please welcome.
So guys, the 19. Everyone clap for them. Pressure on the stage, come on. So, for the award of best fraction, chess number 2. All the members of the committee, organizing committee, Shweta and the team, and all the members of the Invictus who have really worked for the entire team, and we can maybe cheer them up. Please come. Yes, this is the invisible Invictus team that worked behind the curtain and in front of the curtain. Congratulations to you. And a strong, committed team of the staff under the leadership of Shweta Bhatnagar, doctor. We congratulate and thank you also. Big round of applause for them. God bless and do well.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
So guys, thank you so much. आप लोग इस कदर की भीड़ में आए हैं कि थोड़ा सा हम भी घबरा गए। खैर कोई बात नहीं, वक्त की कमी है, इंशाल्लाह आने वाले वक्त में और भी ज़्यादा मुलाकातें होंगी। खैर जाते जाते क्यों छोटी सी शायरी हो जाए, क्या कहते हैं आप लोग? इंशाल्लाह। यारों, वक्त मांग रहा है इजाज़त जुदाई के लिए, मगर मांग नहीं रहा दिल इस छोटी सी बुराई के लिए। ये लम्हा रुक जाए कोशिश की हमारी, लेकिन क्या करें, वक्त और हमारी दुश्मनी काफ़ी है पुरानी।
कपिल भाई, कपिल भाई, कपिल भाई।
जी राज भाई, कुछ कह रहे हैं आप?
मैं ये कह रहा था कि जा तो रहे हो मगर मेरा एक छोटा सा तोहफा ले जाओ।
अच्छा।
कि जा तो रहे हो मगर मेरा एक छोटा सा तोहफा ले जाओ। बहाने मत करो, जरा सब्र कर जाओ। और यूं तो वक्त से हमारी यारी है पुरानी।
वाह वाह, बाकी
यूं तो वक्त से हमारी यारी है पुरानी, क्योंकि हमारे साथ नाचती है ये दुनिया सारी, हमारे साथ नाचती है ये दुनिया सारी।
वाह 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 वाह, और बढ़िया लगा।
Can I have some music, please?
सिंगल ही ठीक था यार, ये रोज रोज के क्रेज से तो बच जाता।
प्यार मोहब्बत सब झूठ है, शो ऑफ। मुझे दे ब्रेकअप
फिर से
हाँ, अब तो आदत सी है मुझको।